There.
Hi everybody, I'm Jesse.
I'm Joey, and we are the parents
parents
of the JMJ Kids, and welcome to It's Time Couple Power. Okay, what's the topic for tonight?
Our topic
We're
for tonight
back.
is what are still in our bucket lists.
Okay, so this would be after how many years in marriage? 28. 28 this year. So now we already have 5 kids and they're all grown. But do we still, as a couple, do we still have something in
In
our
our bucket list that we did not yet accomplish. Of course, we accomplished. We have achieved other stuff in our bucket list. But what are this? What are the things that are still?
So number one, travel. Sa travel, do we still have places that we want to go to? Ano ba mga napuntahan na natin? We've been to Canada, US, Europe. Together naman yun, no? And sa Middle East. So,
Asia.
Asia. Marami na tayong napuntahan. However, this time around, we wanted to still go back to the places we have been to with our grown kids. Iba kasi yun. Iba yung travels natin together as a couple. Although ano yun hindi naman before kids yun. That's, when they were still young. Pero now kasi, now that they're grown, iba na yung topics na pinag-uusapan.
Yeah.
And, kasabayan na natin sila in discussing what's happening in the world, current events, and
Tsaka yung every time we go kasi when they were younger, hindi na ma-appreciate yung mga places we're going.
Yes.
At saka yung, siyempre usually yan, if we are traveling to other countries, walking yan di ba? You have to walk. Sila, babies pa sila. Kami yung nag-walk para sa
dala-dala, stroller.
yeah,
Sa stroller, 3 yan.
So hindi na talaga ma-appreciate. Kami lang ma-appreciate pero at the same time, yung medyo napapagod din kami kasi yung hawak-hawak namin sila. So at this time naman,
iba na. Tsaka ibang level na sila. As in, they're adults already. Like grown. And they have their opinions. And basta, iba sila kausap ngayon. And we wanted to go to the places we have been to, like Europe, they haven't been there. Sa Middle East, they haven't been there. Sa US, they have been, pero hindi tayo kasama.
yeah.
No?
Tsaka pili lang.
Pili lang yung mga times in their lives na
Napunta sila
kasama
US.
tayo. So,
Tsaka bata pa rin talaga sila noon.
oo.
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon, naman, we're in our 50s and masaya naman na nakakalakad ka pa. Kaya pa natin, no? Nag-walkathon tayo dun sa Europe, sa London nun. So, kaya pa natin. So, maganda na. Yun pa rin. Nasa bucket list pa rin namin yan.
And more. Kasi there are also nice countries and places that you want to visit. More in usually marami yan sa Europe.
Yes. Ang saya. Yeah. Next, personal achievements. Okay, personally, I think in our career, okay na tayo. Na, dinaanan na natin lahat na from admin, from even yung, basta mga blue-collar jobs, tapos white-collar.
jobs.
Parang nadaanan na natin yan. And I think, nag-peak na rin yung career natin. However, since lawyers kami, we graduated from law, we never had the title attorney. So now that the kids are grown, medyo napapag-isipan na namin na how about we take the bar again? So isa yan.
Pero kasi ngayon, we can now focus, we can shift our focus on a little bit away from our kids na, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi dati kasi talagang focus tayo sa kanila.
Yes.
Lahat ng ating decisions, lahat ng ating mga, anong tawag dito, mga ginagawa, kasama pala talaga sila So,
pero the question is, do you want to really practice law? I think hindi rin naman, it's not really about that. It's really more on just, finishing it through.
Yeah. Kumbaga,
just for our parents.
itawid mo sa finish line na lang. Parang ganun.
We graduated, yes. And we're thankful for the knowledge, for your knowledge and the practice. Nakapanalo na rin naman tayo ng labor cases. So, and hindi naman naputol yon. Until now, we're still able to use the knowledge, diba, ng career natin.
Yeah.
Nagparalegal na rin. And until now, parang talagang sobra siyang nagagamit. And kulang na lang talaga humarap tayo sa korte.
Yeah.
And yes, probably, no? We never know.
Yeah, for experience
we're still
sake.
in our 50s. Let's say, for example, mag-retire ka at 60 and then you live until 80. That's still 20 long years. So, pwede maiba yung trajectory natin. But, yeah, that's one of the things that I wanted to like pursue. Another thing is, sana talaga manalo na ako sa Lotto because I really wanted to finish or complete all the seminars ni Tony Robbins. Kasi sa Tony Robbins, once you have attended a particular seminar niya, in our case, the Unleash the Power Within, you're able to crew for the same event in different countries where it's held. So for UPW, we have served in Australia, in the US, in Singapore, in UK, even yung mga online events niya, we were able to serve. Pero andun lang tayo sa, kasi meron din siyang ladder, no, that you have to achieve na, I wanted to be able to wear the blue shirt when you become a
May
trainer.
ranking din.
May ranking din siya. So, maganda. Na, I really want to, other than the fact that, of course, it's self-development, right, Tony Robbins. And not just Tony Robbins, I also wanted to attend yung kay Dr. Joe Dispenza. I wanted to join the cruise ni who's that? Abraham Hicks. So, marami pa. When it comes to personal development, still a lot to do. And marami pa akong dreams about it. Ikaw,
Yeah.
ano pa ba? Sa personal development side, you still want to... kasi philosophy grad ka, baka meron kang...
I'm fully developed na kasi personality.
Whatever.
Personality-wise, I'm fully developed na. Ito, fruit na lang siguro. Well, to share
ay kasama
my
din rin yun ng personal achievements, na? So, I think yun na rin. Personal achievement? Oh, yeah, I think yung being an attorney.
Yeah, siguro yung title na lang siguro. For the sake of, yun nga, finishing it really. And,
Ayan, experiences together. Ito, may questions. Hindi ko mabasa, pakibasa mo na lang.
what experience should we share while we're healthy and active?
Yeah, well, again, travel, I guess.
Yeah.
What else?
Kasi it takes, is there a special celebration or milestone you want to create?
Yes.
Golden,
Yeah, golden
diamond.
golden anniversary naman. 2028, malayo pa. So, at least on the 30th
Eh,
year.
ngayon nga gusto mong i-celebrate. Yung sabi
Tagal pa
niya,
nun?
hindi sir.
Ang tagal
So,
celebration yan. 28 pa lang.
Ang dami
So, in
talagang,
2 years, in 2 years
ang dami
time.
pa talaga yung mamaster,
Yeah,
parang
ang
yung
dami
patience,
pa.
yung ganyan. Personality, hindi ka pa talaga develop. Sabi sa'yo, wala talaga ang develop personality.
Kulang
Kulang
ang develop.
Marami ka talagang
What
kulang.
would make the next
Next decade
decade memorable? Oh my
memorable.
God, 10 years from now. So that would be like 38 years in marriage. Jamie would already be 24. Oh my God, Kuya's age right now. Siguro yun, ano na. In 10 years time, baka meron nag-asawa sa mga kids natin.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Kuya's already gonna be 34 then.
We don't know. That's why.
34 and then ate would be 32.
And you're gonna be 24.
Diba?
You know that?
Marrying age is around
You know
25.
when I got married, I was 23.
I don't care, Dad. That's all the times.
So, hopefully, may mga, ang dami. You know, in 10 years, parang the future looks so, ano pa rin.
Bright.
And
Under the sun.
interesting.
Yeah.
And
Adventure.
exciting. Kasi marami pa talagang mangyayari. Andito kami sa point in our lives na mimiss namin sila kasi they have their own lives already, living independently. So, medyo hindi pa rin ako
Get
nakaka-recover
over.
from the shock of it all. And then, lagi pa rin nalulungkot. But I know this is just a phase. And when that time comes na may mga sarili na silang families, it would be a different phase na I need to look forward to. Tayong mga mommies na ganyan, na may ganitong edad na mga na kids.
Yeah.
What else? Family and legacy.
What memories do we want our children and grandchildren to have of us?
What memories? So, well, in our case, I really believe na we were able to do it right because we spent most of their talagang 24/7 tayo. And it's a good thing talaga that we have this kind of career which gave us the time freedom to be with them, homeschool them. So yung homeschooling talaga, very, very significant in our life, very important because we were able to raise them and give them the same values that we wanted them to
Hello,
have.
can I be heard?
Yes, and nakakatuwa na now we see our children,
Please give me
the
1 minute.
para talagang the way that we really wanted them to
With my
to grow. Ito sila, parang bilib talaga ako sa kanila. Of course, marami pa rin akong mga wishes and wants for them, pero that's for me. So,
Yeah, coach na lang tayo ngayon.
yeah. I mean, marami pa rin talaga silang kulang.
Okay.
For me, nakukulangan pa din ako for them.
Hello everyone, I am Toastmaster JJT Evan,
Ayan,
and the word of the
narinig
day
niyo.
is apex.
Sige, pakita ko sa inyo.
The word of the day is apex, which is the highest point or the peak. The example usage would be, this meeting is the apex of our Toastmasters year. This meeting is the apex of our Toastmasters year. Each speaker is encouraged to use the word of the day, and as your grammarian, I will be introducing myself later. But
Because
I encourage everyone to use this one as
Magkatabi lang dito sa-
confidently as possible during your speeches, as this will give you the encouragement and the skill to use this one in any situation
minutes kaya
when
ito?
needed. So back to you, Toastmaster.
there you go. Okay. Now, what else? That's for family and legacy. What else? Giving back. Yes, ito. I think we have already established that, no? Na even sa family natin, we have encouraged our children to be generous as well, and we have our own charity projects. Like right now, ang number one charity project natin is yung sa PEA, yung sa Lasal, Green Hills, yung charity school, yung night school nila. And it's not that we're the ones giving, no, but we're very active in finding sponsors to support the cause. So yun, isa yan. And ang maganda dito kasi education siya. Quality education by Lasal. And it's free. Free education. And they were able to give that to our children. Kasi nga homeschooled. And basta maganda. And we would like our friends to get into that kind of charity work. Kasi ito, education may mangyayari sa mga bata. Hindi ka lang nagbigay ng pera. May natutunan sila, nabigyan sila ng degree, hindi pa degree, diploma. And it's Lasal. It's Lasal education.
Yeah, actually you're giving them the chance to better their lives kasi
Yes.
usually yung mga recipient kasi doon sa charity nila is yung mga wala
The
talaga sa
deaf,
buhay. Oo.
maraming deaf, and yung mga working adults, adult learners, yan, basta yung marginalized part of our
Marginalized part of
society,
society,
and nabigyan natin sila ng chance na gano'n. Kaya, I encourage everyone to join the cause. What else? Yeah, another thing, si mama kasi, my mom always wanted to build a foundation, or basta parang semi-church or something. Basta yun ang gusto ni mama, and sabi ko, I hope we win the lottery. Or basta para magkaroon tayo ng like big cash na we will be able to set that up. Para bang yung CCF building dun sa Ortigas, so big. Wanted to have something like that, no? Sana, no, in the future, na magkaroon tayo ng sarili nating building like that, where we can hold events, yung mga prayer meetings, yan, ganyan. I wanted that. Isa yan sa pinapangarap natin. And hopefully, magawa natin before our parents, pass.
Tsaka Eco Park.
Eco Park. Yes!
Eco Park yun.
Yes.
Tapos andun yung mga yung mga what do you call them? Yung mga dinosaurs. Bubuhayin natin sila. Yeah, it's nice.
What else?
Okay. Fun and adventure. What are the little crazy things we would like to try? For example, hot air balloon ride.
Yeah, marami pa rin talaga.
Ziplining, tapos na yan.
Like zipline na.
Skydiving.
Skydiving. I wasn't able to do it outdoor. Indoor skydiving in
Bungee
New
jumping.
Zealand. Yeah.
Bungee.
No, never, never. I think yung bungee jumping, bago pa ako
Hindi
bumaba, namatay na ako sa nagtata.
Hot air balloon.
Yeah, hot air balloon, pero parang ayoko yun. I don't like the idea. Kasi wala tayong parachute. Just, it's you're floating there, up in the air, tapos wala. Pag nalaglag ka, what? Parang walang
Kaya nga adventure
harness.
eh.
yung zipline ka na nakahiga, ganyan, takot ako eh. Pero yung nakaupo, parang medyo kasi nakahawak ka pa. So there's some form of security na nakahawak ka. Pero yung pag gano'n, but still, marami pa rin. Actually, we haven't been to Disneyland.
Punta tayo.
Yeah, sa
Pero
labas.
sa
Gusto ko this time papasok tayo sa loob ng Disneyland. Nakapunta sa labas ng Disneyland. Marami na rin naman tayong nagawa. So, gusto lang natin right now is, or in the future, magawa natin itong mga gusto natin with our grown-up kids. Para mas masaya. Pag nagsama-sama tayo, parang ang sarap ng usapan. You know, we have our It's Time gratitude every day. Kung hindi kami kasama, it's the kids. So from there, you will see how proud we are of our kids. Na until now, they're so closely bonded. And they're always like, parang nanghihinayang din. They miss each other. They miss the Philippines. And nanghihinayang sila sa time na they're not together. Kasi magkaiba yung time zone. So, and ito rin na we are here in the province, spending time with their lolo and lola. Ayan yung mga binigay namin sa kanila and nakakatuwa kasi they're so close to their grandparents. Very close. And very, sweet to them.
Yeah, at least they have the chance to be with their
Grandparents. At saka great-grandparent. Although
Yeah,
hindi
pala si
naman
great-
masyadong natin
great-grandlola.
nakakasama. No? But still,
Pero at least nakikita
andyan.
nila.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yan, at this point, 28 years married and
5 kids.
5 kids, marami na tayong adventures na nagawa. Tapos through these different phases, kasi parang ang dami, marami na tayong na-accomplish. And we want more. So of course, marami pa rin nasa bucket list natin. But etong maganda, if there comes a time, if minalas ka na you're not able to like live longer, ang maganda sa amin is I think we're living a life without any regrets. No? For me
Walang what ifs.
oo, no what ifs. Kasi ginawa natin together. Tapos, I mean,
I think we believe that the best decision we had was that nga. We chose the best for our children, for our family, diba?
yes. So, sana talaga, pag-pray na lang natin na pala rin, tumanda tayo together up to our 80s. Tapos yung kids din natin, maging maayos yung buhay nila. But if not, because we don't hold tomorrow, there's really no guarantee about life. If not, then no regrets.
Yeah, naman.
No regrets. Parang we've done everything that we could have done with whatever resources we have. And most importantly, we brought them up loving their own faith,
Yeah.
fully grounded. Kaya,
An asset to the society.
Yes.
Blessing sa society.
yes.
Yeah.
Talagang very proud of our GMJ kids. Alright? So, I hope that you learned something. And sa mga mag-asawa dyan, mga bago-bago pa, if you wanted to like copy, pattern your, whatever sa ginawa namin, try to find, or try to find a way where you can spend more time with kids, or work from home, or do homeschooling with them, para you will also have the kind of kids that we have. Na, kahit hindi nag-aral yan, elementary to high school, bahay lang yung mga yan. And yet,
Values lang ang talagang
we really
we
focused,
molded them on values.
really focused on their life skills. So yeah, thank you, and hope you join us again next time for another episode of It's Time! Couple Power!
Couple power. Couple power.